Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott remanufactured rear air struts for the BMW 7 Series, G11/G12, with all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the rear wheel. Disconnect the airline from the strut. Next, disconnect and unroute the two electrical connections to the strut. Then remove the debris guard under the wheel carrier assembly. Continue by removing the bottom strut mount bolt and disassembling the back seat as well as the rear speaker panel to reveal the strut top mount. To complete the removal, remove the 3 top mount nuts in order to remove the old strut from the vehicle. Prep the new air strut for installation by removing the silver threaded shipping plug. Then install the provided Voss fitting and remove the white shipping pin. Now install the new Arnott strut on the vehicle and install the 3 top mount nuts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during installation. Install the bottom strut mount bolt. Reinstall the debris shield under the wheel carrier assembly and connect the 2 electrical connections to the new strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Next, insert the airline into the strut Voss fitting and press the airline in firmly until it's seated. Now reassemble the back seat and the speaker paneling. Lastly, reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the BMW 7 Series air struts with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.